When it comes to technology in the meeting room, there are so many options. So where do we start?
Can we all be seen and heard without needing to make any changes to the equipment in the room? This is where a Teams room system comes in handy.
A Teams room system, or an MTR for short, is a set of certified products that work seamlessly together. There's a camera, a microphone, speakers, a compute device, and even a touchscreen controller. They all work together with the Teams Rooms software and license.
These are available for all types of meeting rooms, and the hardware comes from leading manufacturers including Logitech, HP Poly, Crestron, Jabra, Neat, Yealink, Lenovo, Cisco, and Audiocodes, which all can be purchased through Data.
So what do these systems do? They solve the problem of joining the meeting quickly with features like one-touch join.
The obvious next question is who manages the equipment in the room? Teams Room systems allow central management and updates via Teams Admin Center. They also offer features like dedicated screen layouts for AI individual framing, live transcriptions, and more.
And finally, let's future-proof the meeting room with Microsoft Copilot and what it's going to do for our meetings moving forward, with summarizing meeting notes and setting action items for people in the meetings.
With the new world of AI and Copilot upon us, our Data team is here to help you transform your customers' meeting experiences with Microsoft Teams Rooms. Interested in a demonstration or to find out more information? Our Data team is here to help.